dear students. So yesterday we completed day 3 Eoy Revision, right? So today we are going to start the day 4 revision, Eoy Revision videos. And I am just going to revise the topics of Unit 7. What we learned in Unit 7? We learned the perimeter, okay, and area. Perimeter and area of some cubes, volume, cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, and also square, rectangle, right? So first we have to learn what do you mean by perimeter and what do you mean by area. So what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides of the given polygon. When they give a polygon. Okay, if it is not a polygon, then the boundary of that figure we call it as a perimeter. Okay, so what we call the perimeter as sum of all the sides, of the given polygon. Okay, if they didn't given any polygon, then the boundary of the given figure we call it as a perimeter of the given problem. Okay, next come to area. What do you mean by this area? So sum of all the sides we call it as a perimeter. So what are the area occupied by this boundary? What is the space? The space occupied by this boundary. We call it as area. Understood the concept? Okay. So this is perimeter and area. Now we will see the perimeter and area of some different kinds of polygons. Okay. Okay. Now first perimeter. Perimeter of what? Perimeter of first we will find the square. What is the perimeter of square? 4a. Why 4a? Because if we take each side as a, okay, what is the perimeter definition? The sum of all the sides of the given polygon, right? A plus a is 2a, 2a plus a is 3a, 3a plus a is 4a. So perimeter of a square is what? 4a. Now, when it comes to rectangle, okay, we will take this as 2 into L plus B is the formula. Why we written 2 into L plus B? Because in the rectangle, opposite sides are equal, right? So this is L, length, and this is breadth. Okay, when we add this one, L plus B plus L plus B. Okay, L plus, now we have to take like terms one side, right? So L plus L become 2L, B plus B become 2B. So I taken 2 as a common outside, it will become 2 into L plus B is the perimeter formula of the rectangle. Like this perimeter formula for all the given polygons. Okay. Now area. Area of the square I will written as A into A. Okay. So that is A into A is equals to A square. So A square is the area of given square. Okay. Now for rectangle, the area will be length into breadth. So length into breadth is the area of rectangle. Okay. Now area of parallelogram. Okay. So in the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Yes. So in the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Area of parallelogram. Okay, in the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, right? So this is L and I am taking this as a PP. Okay, now we have to take height of the parallelogram, but here there is no height. P is only a length, it is not a height. So we have to construct the height. So that is H. So we will consider L as a base. Okay, this is base only, no? So base. Okay, we will write base into height. So base into height is the area of parallelogram. Okay. Now area of trapezium. You know already, only in the trapezium one pair of lines are parallel, right? Okay. One pair of opposite lines are parallel. Okay. So what is the area of this trapezium? So here there is no height. I am constructing the height as a H. Okay. So the formula will be half into, okay, H into, okay, the sum of the parallel sides. These two are parallel sides. Yes. I am taking that as a A plus B. And considering this as a and this as a B. But we should give the names in small letters. That is, I am taking this as a B and this as a X. Okay. So here what will become? X plus B. Okay. So what is the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium will be half into H into, means H means what? Height into. X plus B means what? Sum of two parallel sides. Okay. Chapter 7. After this we know about the polygons. Okay. So now you see the circle. What is the circle perimeter here? Perimeter is nothing but the boundary of the given figure. So that's why we call this boundary as circumference. What we call? Circumference. So circumference of circle is what? Circumference of circle is called. It is 2 pi r. The formula of circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Then what is the area? This area. What is the area of circle? Is what? Pi r square. Okay. Now volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is what? Pi r square h. Now comes to the volume. Volume of what? Q and also cuboid. Okay. Q and cuboid. Okay. What is the volume of a cube here? Volume of cube is so volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is S cube. S means side of the given cube, because cube is made up of squares, right? So in the square we are multiplying the two sides, but here the cube has a 3 dimensions, so we are multiplying the length of 3 sides, that is S into S into S, that is S cube. Okay, so volume of a cube is S cube. Then volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is what? Is equals to length into breadth into height. Why? Because in the cube every sides are equal. So there is length, breadth and height are all equal to the side only, length of the side only. That's why we take an S cube here. But in the cuboid it will not like that. In the length is different, breadth is different and also height is different in the cuboid. So we are multiplying to find the volume of the cuboid. So we are multiplying the length into breadth into height. So these are all the basic formulas. So you have to apply these formulas whatever we given in the worksheets. Solve the worksheets. If you have any doubt, please send a screenshot of that. I will solve that problems. Okay. Thank you.